Kota Tinggi, a town with its historical significance and natural beauty, has been a perfect getaway for the locals and the neighboring Singaporeans for years. One of the nature wonders lies about 13 kilometers by road due north from the town center. Surrounded by the Pantai Forest Reserve and waterfalls, Kota Rainforest Resort had truly been a hub for nature lover and adventure seeker. The resort took a pause after the pandemic and the owner decided to let go for early retirement. This would be a rare opportunity for an investor who is interested in owning a resort or a piece of land in a rather unique and strategic location. For more information, please feel free to contact our exclusive listing agent for further consultation.